Welcome to our kitchen. Hi, I'm Dave. Today we'll be making smoked ribs with a twist. As always, trust the process, believe in yourself. Are you ready? Let's go.
With paper towels, dry off your ribs well and remove the membrane on the back of each slab. This is important as the membrane can become chewy and unpleasant to eat after smoking. If you have a problem removing the membrane, simply score it very well with a knife. Cut all of your ribs between the bones to make individual rib sections. You can trim the fat off of the top if you think it is necessary. However, it will all render down during the cook. In a large bowl or in a pan, coat all of your ribs in a binder of your choice. I like using mustard as a binder. Now we need to season our ribs. Use any rub you love, however, I like layers of flavor on my ribs, and these two are my favorite to use. Meat Church Honey Bacon Barbecue and Killer Hogs the barbecue rub. Lay them all out and coat every inch of your ribs. Flip them all over and do the same thing on the other side. Place your ribs on a large rack, and now it's time to smoke them. Set your smoker to 250 degrees. Any flavor of pellet or wood will do, and place them in the smoker. Most smokers have hot spots, so rotate your ribs if some are being overcooked. Just make sure you're paying attention. Cook the ribs until they're around 165 degrees internally. Place these beautiful ribs in aluminum pans and add 5 or 6 tablespoons of butter, a bit of brown sugar, and a half jar of barbecue sauce per pan. Cover the pans with aluminum foil and cook the ribs until they are 200 to 207 degrees internally.
The ribs are done. They look amazing. At the beginning, you noticed that I cut two different style of ribs. I cut some Babybacks and I cut some St. Louis cut that was off of a spare rib. I wanted to try which one was better because this is honestly the first time I've ever tried this recipe, and I think there was kind of an outstanding winner. It's a bit surprising. So we'll try the Babybacks for the first bite. They look amazing. They're soft, they're juicy. The barbecue sauce had time to smoke and render down. Okay, real good. Lots of smoke. But, they pull apart, but they're obviously a little tougher. I don't know if that's the right way to put it. Just not as fall apart. Here's the spare ribs. Oh, much different. Both are good, but look at this. Basically peels right off. Oh yeah. My family thought the same thing. The spare ribs were much better. I don't know how. I think it was the fat content. They took better to the longer cook or to the cook time, and they didn't dry out. Even though the cook time was quite short compared to doing a full slab, which takes anywhere from 5 to 6 hours, depending on if you do a 3-2-1 or if you do a straight cook. Amazingly delicious. My opinion is it's a great smoke technique. Cut them up first, smoke them individually. But the Babyback seem to lose out over the spare ribs, which is good for your pocketbook because they're usually cheaper. So just remember, anything you see me do, you can do. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and you can do it. See you next time.